This is part 2 of my T6 camper build. This is a junction box from my twin seat out of my VW T6, and you're meant to stuff it under the carpet to get the swivel base put in, but this for me is just too big. I've manoeuvred it hundreds of times and I just can't get it flat enough to put the base on. It's always in the way, so I'm going to modify it very simply. This comes apart, so I want to keep the top bit, and this isn't very good with one hand, and I'm going to discard the bottom bit for now. Right, for safety reasons, there needs to be air going all the way around this. Obviously it gets a bit warm and you don't want any plastic bits touching. So if you see here, I'm going to leave, this normally slots in the top there, and I'm going to try and reduce the height of it, but these prongs here are touching just on the edge. So I have my drill bits, which I'm going to shave down this edge so it misses those and it completely sits flush to that base there, like that. Because if you put it up there, you can see it doesn't quite, it's not focusing, it doesn't quite sit flush. That means it's touching, and it will eventually melt that if they get warm. Well, I've just been hunting around down my mother-in-law's basement and found this piece of plastic. It's absolutely perfect. So I just ground that bit off, and that is going to fit over the top of that completely. So there's going to be a slight gap all the way around so it can breathe.
After test fitting, refitting and refitting again, I realised that I couldn't fit the inverter under the seat. The wires that's for the inverter are enormous and massive, and they just didn't fit. There was too much going on under there, so I took it out, and I also had to raise the seat nearly an inch, just so it clears all the terminals and all the wires and stuff. The van was taken to a professional company to have the elevating roof put in. It was colour coded to the vehicle, and we chose a very good quality one because the build I was doing was quite a quality build on it. You're not allowed to put these roofs on yourself in Lithuania because it interferes with the structure of the roof, and for safety reasons they are quite strict on it. And it was quite a costly roof. Well, it's just under €5,000, which hurt a bit.